floor. Madam Chair.
Yes, you may proceed.
I request that the chairperson of the Finance Committee preside over this hearing.
Madam Vice President, with due respect, you are not allowed to do that, Madam Vice President. You are not allowed to introduce any motion. You are a research person
I
in
did
this
not-
hearing, Madam President,
I did
Vice
not
President.
move, ma'am. I requested,
In the same
as
vein-
your resource person, I requested
So
that the
your request is
chairperson of the
denied,
committee.
Madam Vice President. Just please answer the question. The issue on confidential funds falls squarely within our discussion of your 2025 budget.
Narinig mo yung sinabi niya, ma'am?